Plural, yeah. Plural, noun, and we're talking in general. We don't mean those travellers there, the travellers, we're talking about any travellers, yeah? Okay, happy? Well done, good. Second one. Okay, so you've crossed out that, put 0. Do you agree?
Yes.
Why?
Continent.
Yeah, this is a, not country,
Continent.
continent. Okay, and
Or
with continent,
mainland.
sorry?
Mainland.
Well, Europe includes islands as well. So yeah, it's just an area of lands, mainland and islands. Yeah. So with continents, we use 0 article. Yep. And then Arif, you said is not the most. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well done. Why? Because it's superlative. Yeah? Okay, number 3. You crossed out that and put A. Do you agree? Yeah. Why? So we've got a good way.
First time,
Yeah, it's the first time we're mentioning it. And how many?
just one.
Yeah, it's so it's a singular. Countable noun. Yeah. So we're using A. Happy with that? Yeah. Okay, number 4. Cross that on and put go the trip. What do you think? Do you agree?
Go on trip.
Go on. Are we talking about specific trip
Go on the trip.
or any trip? Any trip. So if it's any, if we're talking in general, what do we need here? Ah, yeah. Okay. Go on, a trip. We don't know any trip. Yeah. Okay, and because trip is
Singular.
it's singular, it's countable. And that's okay, and we're talking in general. Yeah?
So used on or either or.
So yeah, we keep on. To go on, yeah. Along a river like, we've got the River Nile. Are you happy with this?
Yes,
Why?
that's right.
Yeah, because we use the with
ocean or river or sea.
excellent. Well done. Number 5. So we crossed out that. What do we have in this book?
The great
Parts.
So here,
without
yeah, it's plural, yeah. Plural noun, and we're talking in general, yeah. We don't mean specific delay floods. So we use 0 article. Yeah. Remember, if it's plural noun, but we're talking in general, you don't have an article. Okay? Like the rings sentence, yeah. And here, happy with this?
Yes, that's good.
Yeah. Because it's okay. Number 6. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Yeah. Why?
This language, they use that.
We know.
Because we're talking about
Special.
specific language, the local language. Clear? Okay, and number 7. Do you agree? Do we need to cross this out?
I think it's right. The travel is a bit boring. It's right sentence.
It's correct.
Yeah.
It's not correct.
No?
Yeah, this is correct. It's 0 article. Travel. Okay. What type of word is travel?
No.
Noun, and what? And it's
single, countable.
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Why?
We don't say travels.
Yeah.
And we're talking
General.
in general. So, can you see, when we want to be specific, we tend to use the, and when we're talking in general, we often use a or an or zero. This is a very, very general rule. Okay? But if you look at the examples, there's quite a lot of examples where we're being specific, we're using the, and where we're just talking in general, we're using a. Okay? And the last one? Are you happy with this?
No.
What do you think? Is it?
An.
Okay. When do we use an
A.
or a? It's with a
Singular.
yes, singular
Yes, it's plural.
noun. And if we look at this
Yes, plural. Yeah.
plural, so what do we use there?
Zero.
Zero. Okay, and aeroplanes we're talking in general, any planes. Yeah, I hate travelling in planes. Okay, so it comes back to this. If it's singular and you're talking in general, it's a or an. And if it's plural and you're talking in general, or it's uncountable and you're talking in general, it's zero article. But if you're being specific, the. Okay? This is like the easiest rule that you can remember about articles. There are, of course, exceptions. But if you're not sure, this might be a good rule to try to follow.
Number 5, you have mistake.
Sorry?
Number 5. Are one of.
Oh, sorry. That was my...
One of.
Oh, yeah, of. Yeah. Thanks. Okay, any questions? If you think about it like this, does this help you? Does this make it easier? Yeah, it's a bit... Because this rule itself is very general, it won't always be true, but it might help you to remember. Okay, any questions? Alright, so thinking about this, I'd like you to do, in exercise 7, you have 2 short texts. Okay, both of these texts tell you stories about strange events or coincidences. Okay, you just need to decide for each gap, is it a, an, or the? Okay.